Welcome back to another instructional video by King Biker. Today we're installing the Driveshaft guard. Fits on many BMW models including R1200GS and LC. We're doing this on an LC just for demonstration. So let's do this. Now installing this is simple. You basically just take off this piece here, plastic, put the Driveshaft guard in where the hole is, and then just take a hex screw driver and tighten the screw while holding the guard. Make sure it's tight. Now this simple piece, which is so easy to install, can save your $2,000 or euro worth shaft simply by just installing this little piece and paying a little. No, that's the end. Hope you were able to install this, and I'll see you next time.